American 1594, 12404 at 4 on a Docker, runway 25 right, set for takeoff.
25 right, clear for takeoff, RNAV Docker, American 1594.
United 2237.
I don't know where it is, but I think they're having...
They are on hotel in between the runways, holding short of Quebec, and they lost their hydraulic system.
Yeah, we have the car there. We have the 757 that lost hydraulics. We can tell flaps are down. One would guess that they would have put them up. Here comes AAA.
Departure exit 612.
American 1528, LA Tower, caution light turbulence, preceded by a heavy Dreamliner, 12408, runway 25 left, to land.
25 left, good to land, American 1528.
All right, we start the process for towing this plane. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Right? You have your AAA card?
Right.
Hold short, runway 25 right,
United 1224, runway 25 right, on its way.
548, runway 25 right, United 1224.
United 1224, 12409 on the Docker, runway 25 right, set for takeoff.
RNAV Docker, just take off runway 25 right, United 1224.
United 1297, LA Tower, runway 25 right, on its way.
Runway 25 right, line up on United 1297.
United 1331, contact SoCal departure.
Okay, switch approach, United 1331. Have a good day.
Good day.
Hey Miguel, how you doing? Sounds good. Thank you for letting us know. We have the guys there with the tow.
United 1297, 12510 on a Docker, runway 25 right, set for takeoff.
Quick. I don't know why it's taking so long, but yeah, lots of cars there. They lost hydraulics.
Short of Lima, contact, I'm sorry, Lima short of Kilo 1, call the ramp.
Hey Brian, how you doing? Okay, they're moving there. I think they have a plan.
American 1528, cross runway 25 right, ground point 75.
Clear cross 25 right, ground point 75, American 1528.
Skywest 5006, contact departure, bye-bye.
Over departure, Scott 006, good day.
Here we go. There it goes. Okay, it seems like they're gonna be ready to start moving there.
Flexus 331 LA Tower, runway 25 left, line up away traffic on a 10-mile funnel.
25 left, Triple 887 inbound ILS 25 left.
Triple 887 LAX aircraft in position. Will depart target arrival runway 25 left, go to land.
25 left, we're clear to land, Triple 8.
All right.
Should F-87.
Everything seems to be, there you go, they're moving.
So, City F-87, roger, at Quebec, cross runway 25 right, and then contact ground 1175.
All right, everything solved. You can see flaps down, probably due to the hydraulics fault.
Challenger 779 Juliet, visual approach runway 27 left, 25 left.
Challenger 7778 Juliet, LA Tower, 4.5 and trail of a 757, caution with turbulence, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land at number 279 Juliet.
Wonder if I'm gonna need to talk to Tower about it before crossing. Thank you guys for the 113 likes. Thank you, awesome job. Please continue to hit the like button. There goes United. They're gonna go to the other side of the airport, the north side. That's where the Delta terminal is. Yeah, because it's the exact location where the 757 stopped and was towed, and it took a while. So I wonder if there is some debris. Yeah, look at that. It seems like there was some hydraulics spilled there, so they have the Delta spill cart to fix whatever happened there with some.
Mahalo, we'll see you guys, 741, switch.
Cleaning the
JetBlue 1874 LA Tower, caution, white
liquid
turbulence,
probably, yeah.
field runway 25 right, line up away. 1784 LA Tower, runway 25 right, line up away. 25 right, line up away.
Fluid, the hydraulic fluid that
2110 contact
came from that 757 that lost hydraulics after landing about an hour ago.